lovely home update part 6 here. I'm excited. Our house delivery truck is here today, timely, and they got our Emily floor mirror and console table. They will unbox and set it up now.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life. I never really put up a fight, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down.
This console table is made out of a reclaimed thick solid wood, vintage inspired and hand waxed. We got the 60-inch length, which is perfect for our entryway, and I found it exactly how I expected it. It is such a nice quality piece of furniture to have. I cannot wait to decorate it.
You make me nervous.
I love the floral detailing of our Emily mirror and the distressed texture finish plus its vintage inspired aesthetic. We will have to mount both the console table and the mirror soon, especially with little ones. We have to be careful. Dan will take care of that in a little bit, and I'll go ahead and start cleaning our toddler's new bedroom space.
Canceled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit.
Our toddler used to sleep in our bedroom, but decided now it's time for her to get her own bedroom. I'll go ahead and wash the carpet real good and clean the window and the doors.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not
Dan was cleaning her room. Dan will vacuum and wash our hallway and stairs, and then we'll be moving on to painting and cleaning our girls' new playroom.
I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. We could be gazing at the stars, but now it feels just like I wandered off into a room and closed the door behind me. I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know.
Dan was washing the hallway and stairs carpet. It was a much needed cleaning. We are in the playroom right now, and this playroom used to be a guest bedroom. Due to COVID, we didn't have any guests over for a few years, so we needed a space for our kids where they can play and study, just their own space. So this is the perfect space for them. We cleaned out all the furniture and got rid of whatever we needed to get rid of and donate, and now we will go ahead and paint the walls.
Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you.
We got our paint from Sherwin-Williams, and it's very similar to our original paint. And by the way, we are using the same paint all over our home. If I can find the information online, I'll link it below for you.
It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling.
Dan was painting the playroom. We will go ahead and paint our toddler's bedroom now.
But it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you.
Bedroom is already masked. We're painting it right here. It's gonna be a short video here. I don't want to keep you long. And then we'll go ahead and clean this up and move on to washing the playroom carpet and give it a good clean all over.
fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling.
In the coming home update videos, we'll be decorating our toddler bedroom, playroom, and we will also be working on our 4-year-old's bedroom. We will be transforming her room from toddler to big girl room. I'm so excited. Now we are in the playroom. We're gonna clean up real quick and move on to giving this carpet a good wash.
We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more, talking to you, and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go further.
Almost done with cleaning the playroom. That was it for today, lovely. I hope you enjoyed watching my video today and got tons of cleaning motivation. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until I see you on our next home update video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.